The Activities feature allows you to clearly see what users do during a connection. It does not only record the screen, but also captures opened applications, typed commands, and performed actions as individual activities. This way, instead of watching long session recordings from start to finish, you can focus directly on the actions that matter. If you are looking for a specific action, you can jump to it within seconds and significantly speed up the review process. This provides a major advantage, especially for auditing, security, and incident analysis scenarios. Now, let's walk through how this feature works step by step. First, we navigate to the Master Policy section from the main menu. Here, we see the Record Session Activity rule. This rule determines whether activities are recorded during connections. When you enable this rule, activity recording can be applied to all connections. Alternatively, by using the Add Exceptions option, you can limit activity recording to specific connections only. After completing the policy configuration, we move to the Connection Components section. Here, we select the connection type for which we want to record activities and open its settings by clicking the three-dot menu and choosing Edit. Under Target Settings, we navigate to the Supported Capabilities section, where we define which details will be collected. When window titles is enabled, this setting activates the visibility of application and window titles for recorded sessions. This allows the system to capture the titles of applications open during the connection, such as Chrome, Command Prompt, PowerShell, or File Explorer. When KeystrokeAudit is enabled, the same approach applies to user actions performed inside those applications. Commands typed in a terminal, executed actions, or searches performed in a browser are captured as searchable activity records. Now, we move to the Account View section and start an RDP connection using this configuration. During the connection, we open applications such as Command Prompt, PowerShell, and File Explorer, and perform various actions inside them. Commands are typed, directories are browsed, and actions are taken on the system. When the actions are completed, the connection is closed. Next, we navigate to the Monitoring section from the main menu. Here, we see the session we just performed listed in the session overview. On the right side of the screen, the Activities panel is displayed. This panel allows us to see all actions performed during the session, one by one, and in chronological order. Without watching the entire video, we can clearly understand what the user did during the connection. If you want to review a specific action, for example, checking whether the whoami command was executed, simply clicking on the relevant activity takes you instantly to the exact second in the video where that action occurred. Finally, we see that the same approach applies to SSH connections as well. We open an SSH connection and execute commands through the terminal. As shown, all actions performed during SSH sessions are also captured as activities and displayed in the same panel.